Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim any animal gift in Heartopia to complete the animal care beginner quest. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I need to claim any animal gift. And to claim the gift, I would like to recommend you to open up your watch first and then go to the animal. And then here you can see which animal that will give you a gift. And for me, I get the gift from this bunny. And of course, if you want to get the gift, you need to feed the animal. You need to feel the animals through with food that they like, and then they will eat the food, and then they will give you a gift. And now I can claim this animal gift. Just click on the claim button, and yeah, I obtained bamboos. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim any animal gift in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!